Hi guys! Shout out to everyone. What are you doing? Doing here at 8:52 PM. That's PM. Here is 9:53 AM. 9:53. Oh my god, I just woke up so late. 9:53 AM. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na na na. Ano ba yung ginawa ko nito? Hi Galego! Good morning and welcome to tingnan mo yung minuto. Welcome to my life. Saan ko naman nilagay? Oh, it's morning. 1 hour difference. I think no, I didn't have breakfast. I just woke up. Walang dami. I just woke up. Ang dami kong nilagay. I just put a lot on my face. Yes! What? Okay, come here. Are you okay? Ang dami ko nilagay sa mukha. Come here. My cat is... What happened? Hello, puti-puti na mukha ko. So, ano? Wait lang. Oh, just woke up. Let's have... Just coffee first. Oh, breakfast and lunch. That's all in one. My breakfast is around 12. 11 or 12, yeah. That's already lunch time. Thank you for the like, guys. Don't forget to thumbs and also subscribe my channel. My name is 30. But I'm used to drink coffee every morning. Coffee and bread with this. I'm already used to. Bakit andyan kasi? Joshua! Na-bless na rin. I have coffee buns, ha? Manila siguro. I have this one. Coffee with buns. Ha. I already read that. By the way, how old are you? What do you think? Just my age. Guess my age. Guess my age. Parang laki ng bilbil ko. Kita yung bell. I think you are 25 years old. No. Not 25.